Isa sa mga putaheng madalas sa mga handaan ay kalderetang kambing. Masarap kasi itong pang-ulam or pang-pulutan. Goat meat is an acquired taste and its gamey flavor is not for everyone. Pero pag finalo mo itong ating easy recipe, makakaluto ka ng kalderetang kambing na magugustuhan ng lahat. I like to parboil the meat in ginger and bay leaves to remove some of the barnyard smell. Pakuluan for about 10 to 15 minutes at alisin ang mga bula. Drain at banlawan ng mabuti ang karne. In a pot, lutuin ang potatoes in hot oil until lightly browned at isunod ang carrots. Remove from the pot and set aside. Bawasan ng mantika at saute onions and garlic until softened and aromatic. Ilagay ang na-blanch na karne ng kambing at isang kotsa. Timplahan ng fish sauce at hayaan lang kumulo for a few minutes para ma-absorb ang lasa. Ibuhos ang tomato sauce and water and bring to a boil. Cover, lower the heat, and simmer until the meat is pork tender and the liquid is reduced. Maglagay ng chili peppers according to the spice level na gusto at isunod na rin ang potatoes and carrots. Continue to simmer until tender na but not falling apart. Ang nagpapa-special sa aking kambing kaldereta ay naglalagay ako hindi lang bell peppers but also sweet pickles and green olives. Pag tender crisp na ang mga gulay and the sauce is slightly thickened, ihalo ang liver spread para dagdag lapot at linamnam. Adjust the taste with salt and pepper as needed. Add the shredded cheese for extra creaminess at continue to simmer lang until melted. Hearty and boldly flavored, siguradong patok itong ating kalderetang kambing for any fiesta or special occasion. Serve it with steamed rice or your favorite inumin and enjoy!